Set in the lush, ancestral landscape of Malinalco, Mague House immediately feels less like an object placed on land and more like something that quietly belongs to it. The site sits on a hillside surrounded by dense vegetation, right beside an ancient Aztec ceremonial zone with one of the world's monolithic pyramids. Instead of competing with this powerful context, the architects chose to respond to it, carefully preserving every tree and working with the natural microclimate that originally drew the clients to this location. What makes the design particularly interesting is the way it translates cultural ideas into spatial form. The concept is rooted in a Mesoamerican worldview, where trees symbolize a connection between different realms of existence. This idea is expressed through a three-layer composition: a mirrored base that blends with the earthy and reflects the roots of the trees, a main living level where everyday life unfolds, and above it, the natural canopy formed by the foliage. The result is a house that almost appears to float, visually light, yet deeply grounded in its environment. As you move through the house, the experience becomes more dynamic and less predictable. The volumes are carefully positioned around existing trees, creating a series of spaces that feel almost labyrinth-like. Light constantly shifts throughout the day, changing how each space is perceived. Interiors open outward, and exteriors seem to flow inward, blurring the boundaries between inside and outside. This spatial flexibility is also functional. Rooms are designed to adapt, allowing the house to support everything from quiet rest to remote work, a quality that proved especially relevant during the pandemic. Material choices further reinforce this connection to place. Locally sourced wood, stone, and traditional Chukum plaster give the house a tactile, grounded quality, while mirrored surfaces along the facade help dissolve its presence into the landscape. Subtle references to the site's history appear throughout, from a reinterpretation of a pyramid in the outdoor space to a carved stone element inspired by the molkajit. At the same time, the house incorporates sustainable strategies like rainwater collection, water treatment systems, and low-impact construction, making it not just visually integrated with nature, but also environmentally responsive in how it operates.